Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Ninja Gaiden 4 recorded cutscene 20% file size. I'll show you guys how to install it. You just need to check my video description for the site link. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. After the download done, just need to select the downloaded file and just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. So make this left on right side. You just need to navigate to the game folder. If you doesn't know where the game is, then you just need to check my video description for this file path. Just navigate to this path. And after you are in the game folder, you just need to drag and drop these assets folder to your game folder and select the replace the file in the destination. Then just close off here and launch the game, guys. We successfully installed the mod and the game will open up without having any problem. I show you. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. And don't forget to like, guys. Thank you.